Okay. Um, and in this video we are going to talk about um, some of the terms, and then we get to the an schema, a burger order schema or something like that. See, first about the cardinality. Cardinality is when there are two entities. For example, student a student as entity and the course. Courses and students, okay, they're two entities. Now if we relate them, you know, that we say if there is a student has courses. See, we can say every student can take many courses, okay? Then many courses, but and you can say here that a course can be taken by many students. So in many to many, you know, many to many has a that we will talk about it later. This one, it's going to be changed to an entity. So like in university schema, we say a student take a section. A student takes section. He takes about enroll in section, enroll. See, we can say that a student can take many sections, but we can say that a section can be taken by many students. You know, it's enroll. You know, enroll in the. Make another example. A department, okay, and a instructor. Now let's find the cardinality between these two entities. We can say a department can have many instructors. Okay, yeah. So many instructor. But an instructor can belong to one department. So and one to n. Now so you can write the name anything, you know. One department has many instructors, but one instructor can belong only to one department. Okay, we can get another one, and it is one-to-one. Let's talk about this, like another one, courses here, and then you have entity, course, and taught, and the other one would be instructor. Okay, instructor. We can say one course can be taken, can be taught by one instructor, okay? But an instructor can teach many courses, okay? So it would be N. One instructor can teach many courses. And there is another one, is one-to-one. For example, we have employee and department, employee and a department, and there is a relation between them which is manage is manage. You can say here an employee manage only one department, and one department can be managed by only one employee. I mean, that makes sense. One department can only manage by, I mean, the manager cannot be two. Just an employee could be engineer, could be all kind of then. Well, so we talked about cardinality, and you see that it would be better, yeah. So let's talk about the ER diagram. ER diagram. See, ER diagram is just a bunch of entities that relate to each other. We relate them to each other by in ER diagram. It is. Let's start with an example. In burger, ordering, okay, ordering system. So see what kind of items you have. You want to write the ER diagram. You have customer for sure, okay, because customer is going to buy your product. Burger, you have some kind of, cheeseburger, hamburger, and this kind of things. So the table we have to make a few tables. One of them is going to be customer. And what is going to be the order? Order had its own. Every table has attributes. The customer, we talked about it. That could be address, name, phone number, or email, and these kind of things. But order can have the customer name. I mean, an order coming, say, hey, so in the table should be customer. When we talk about it, foreign product, foreign keys, and then, we have the product. Okay. The customer buy some product. Here is we are talking about foods. So we have to make these tables. What product food we have is made of three different things. One sandwich. It's going to be fries, and it's going to be in the menu, in the product they have these three: fries, and then soft drink or soda. They have this kind of. So actually we have, let's draw the ER diagram. A customer here has different attributes. If it's address, first name, last name, email, and then you have a name. Let's talk about composite name, and then let's finish this one. So the customer has attributes. This company want to deliver food or sell food to customer. Sometimes they have to deliver it, and they have to know the address, or get in touch with customer about some other some other things, to contact with email. They have to email up the customer, and also one of the things I was going to talk about this and phone number. They don't need date of birth of customer, some of the things that that don't need to know. And customer ID. These are the attributes. But I was talking about address. Address, this is the composite attribute. It has the state, about street number, then city, state, zip code. Okay. The street number, yeah, this one is street number. Like another attribute. So when you write in the table, this is a composite. You don't write just the address. You put the state, city, a street number, zip code, cost. Then is for the name the same. You have two different first name, last name. So this one are the composite attribute. You don't write just, you write F first name and last name in the table too. So what you're going to do is you say right here, it's the customer. You write the attributes. This is a customer ID, and then you have all kind of different attributes. Like address is the street number, city, state, zip, email, first name, last name, and phone. See, you have all this information here. So if you wanted to write this system, it's a little bit, yeah, it will show all. So these are the entity, and these are the object we are talking about, or entity, and these are attribute, and then you have the value, and then you want to fill out this paper. You said customer ID number 1, street 1, 2, 3, A street, city, med, estate, OR, Z 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and email m@gmail.com, you know, and first name Mike, last name Adam, and phone number 212, you know, whatever. 212, 103, 1, 2, 3, 4, 211, I don't know. Okay, you got to have the information of this customer. You want to send them food, and so you got to have in your, that's why you're making database, you know, we are making a database, you know, this here is burger schema, you call it, burger ordering schema. You have to have these tables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then for, okay, let me erase this one and show you. You have, oh, we have like sandwich. We have let's write it in this we have burger with cheeseburger, and you have bacon burger, bacon cheeseburger. Okay, there are two kinds of fries. You have French fries, you have chicken fries. Okay, and soda we have Coke, Pepsi, Diet Coke. For example, just have this to make it 3. Okay, so actually you got to have these tables. Customer table, order table, and then you see for each sandwich you have table. One, so there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you are gonna have 10 oops, sorry. 3, 4, 5. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5 table, and then you have let's see. So far 5 table, okay. The 6th table is going to be the 6th table. That's the very important part of this. See, I will talk about the 6th table, and there could be 7 tables in this schema. So after customer has an order, okay, has order, and the order, we can, let me complete this one, and here you have a product of food, okay, foods, and then you have a relationship between order and foods, and then we have foods of different the sandwich, the sandwich, then we have soda, and we have fries. Okay, so what we are talking about is we write the attribute of all these two. You know, order has some attribute. The attribute is the what is in there, type of payment. Type of payment. Okay, it's an attribute. And date of delivery. This attribute. Oh. And then order ID. Order ID. The primary key. Okay, that's it. We're going to talk about primary key and foreign key right now. See, we said in every entity there's one of the one of the columns that we have actually it identify the rows as a primary key. Then there is no other things that we can see. I say customer ID here. We cannot put anything else, you know. Because customer ID is primary key, because there is no other attribute that we can substitute, you know, for that. Like if we by the name, it's going to be we talked about it. If the primary key is the name of the customer, so John, like we have hundreds, thousands of Johns, you know. The address we cannot, because there are two people at the same time living in the same address, or any other things, you know. Email, a person can have two email, and or some other thing. So here we talk about cardinality. Say now we write the cardinality ratio here. We say that a customer can have many orders. Okay, can have many orders. And but an order just belongs to one customer, so it's going to be here 1. So when we are writing the we are writing the relational table, you know, the relational part of the you know, see what I'm trying to say, the relational database. After that, you have to create those relational database, relational, you know, relate them to each other. So, what I mean here in the order table, because it's one to many, between these two customers, the customer ID, it should be in here as a foreign key. Here is a foreign key, FK. What is this? It's going to be customer ID, this one. Customer ID. So, when you have one to many, then the primary ID of this one, like here you have customer, it's got to be in the order table as a foreign key. But okay, it's supposed that if the relation was like this, 1 n, or sometimes they say m. Okay, then here, because n at this side here, then here you got to have what? The order ID as a foreign key. This is foreign key. See, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here, that if the relation is one to many, and in the side of the customer side, the entity there, the order ID is going to be included in there. But right now is 1 to n. Means you write the customer ID as a foreign key in your table. Okay? Ooh. We are going to finish it on the next video because there are a lot of other things. Then, so we are going to then write the attribute of all these, because these are attributes, you know, sandwich has burger, cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger, and soda attribute is Coke, Pepsi, Diet Coke, and fried is going to be French fries and chicken fries. So we will complete this ER diagram at the next video. Thank you.